I've got some great news. I had just got done with taking my Class A CDL Permit test. Of course, you got to take the knowledge, air brake, and combination. But thank the Lord, I passed all three. First time. I'll be honest, it wasn't easy. It was not easy. But I did it, and I tell you a good trick. And I can't take the credit for it. But it helped me. It really helped me. I'll give you the link to the video where it shows the guy talks about it. He runs a driving academy up north in New Jersey. I can't remember the name of it, but I'll link it in the video somewhere. But anyway, that video helped me out tremendously. But what he told in his video was, whenever you take the test, there's a skip button. So if you come up to the question that you just really don't know, or just can't, really undecided, just hit that skip button. That'll put it to the back. So that's what I did. My first test was the combination test. The next test was general knowledge, and then the last test, of course, is air brakes. So I went through every one of them. Every one I didn't. There was only like 5 or 6 that I just couldn't figure out. I just couldn't do it. Just could not figure it out. And a couple of them that I did think I knew. After sitting there looking at it and contemplating and everything, I ended up missing. But I ended up, of course, it stops at 80% on your general knowledge. And out of the 80%, up till it stopped, I only got like maybe 2 or 3 wrong. And then the other test, I made like a 93 and a 91. But that's how I done it. And that's how I done it. I would hit the skip button, put it at the back, go through the questions I did know without any question. I did know those questions, and that's what helped me pass the test. My next step is, I've already got my DOT medical. I went last Friday and got that. The next step is just to send all my paperwork in to my teacher. Davis and Davy is where I'm taking my CDL class. Davis and Davy Community College in Knoxville. I'm very excited about going there and taking this. It's 8 weeks. It's quite a long time, but I feel like the school's going to be really good. It's accredited by lots and lots of companies. It's on their list of schools where they acknowledge the school. So that's really good. And so yeah, I'm very excited about it. I just got to send her my permit this afternoon. I'm going to email it to her, and then I start on March 15th. So I am super excited about it. Can't wait to get this ball rolling. Get out on the road and start making some of that cha-ching. But no, I'm very excited about it. So guys, just want to post a little update on what's going on with my truck driving. I don't know what you want to call it. Change of career. I don't know. Anyway, I just want to fill you in. Alright guys, if you like the video, got any questions, comments, any words of wisdom, please leave it in the comment section below. Email address will be down there as well. Please send me anything you email me for whatever reason. And guys, we'll see you next video.